He doesn't take too many risks. He just lines up his opponent and whops him.
Gagne, it's a goal! And he does put it in the net. What we are witnessing here is offensive superiority.
I like this play in traffic. Take a look at the replay of the wrist shot goal. He knew that trouble was going to arrive sooner or later, and he just got the shot off before anybody got there defensively.
And that's why the wrist shot came into existence, Harry. We forget olden times, that's where most of the shots were taken. We don't see many nowadays, but when we do, the wrist shot is tailor-made. They're ready for the face-off. And the face-off is won by New York. Taken across the blue line by the Islanders. He scores! It's a tie game now here in the first period.
Right between the legs, Bob. He just hummed that wrister.
Very swift wrist shot, Harry. You gotta love the speed and accuracy.
I sure do. The 5-hole is such a backbreaker for a goalie. When you've got that tiny space to guard and someone hits it dead on, it's a tough one to handle.
They're in position to start up the action. Makes a nice pad save. Shanahan over to Nylander. Puck over to the right wing. He shoots. Goal! And it's 1-0 here in the first period. The fans are happy now.
And it goes off the goaltender and ends up in the net for a goal.
I know this happens from time to time, Harry, but that fact certainly can't help the goalie now.
Definitely not. Bob, in fact, looking at this replay, you can actually see the look of horror when he realizes that the puck hit him and still went in. There's a little period of time between that little tap of the puck and the signal for a goal. And that period of time feels like forever to the goalie.
And I'm sure it's accompanied by a sinking feeling in the pit of your stomach as well. And the face-off's coming up. He passes to the defenseman. Crosby has the puck through the zone. Oh, and here come the Penguins. He scores! And they go ahead here. 2 goals in the first period.
Let's take a look at the goal. The defender is taking up some of the angle on the shot, but he's also blocked his goalie's view from getting a look at the puck.
It didn't look like the defender blocked his vision too much.
It wasn't a lot, Bob, but any little advantage you can get from an obstructed shot can make the difference between a goal and an easy save. Remember, this is a game of inches.
Here's the face-off coming up.
Bob, I think at least some of what is happening out there is about the goaltending. You look at the numbers. This goalie is not having his best night. And on the score,
he scores! It's a tie game now here in the first period.
I think the puck skipped off the goalie's shoulder pads right into the net.
Oh, as a fan, you just hate to see this kind of thing. But sometimes it's simply inevitable.
Yeah, but you've really got to credit the shooter here. He took a shot that the goalie couldn't deal with. And of course, there are times when the goalie just has no clue where it's going.
The official's got the puck in hand, and he's ready to start things up again.